Are you looking for a neighborhood with an over-the-top amenity package in the Carolina Forest area of Myrtle Beach? Then today, we will share with you the 5 communities you need to check out. Most neighborhoods in the Carolina Forest at least have a pool and clubhouse, but there's some that offer so much more than that. Starting with the parks. This community offers a beautiful pool area with lots of space for lounge chairs, huge umbrellas, and nice bathrooms. The big pool has a fun water spray area for the kids. Big and little kids alike will love the new lazy river with tubes provided. Also around the pool area sits a clubhouse gathering area, fitness room, fire pit, and fishing dock. 10 Oaks Middle School is easily accessed through the community. You can also access the new public shopping center through the neighborhood without even getting onto Carolina Forest Boulevard. But if you do have to leave, this community offers a traffic light at 2 of the exits. Next on our list is the farm. The main pool area has an 8,000 square foot pool, playground, basketball court, and clubhouse with ping pong table and fitness center. There is also a secondary pool in the neighborhood with the bathroom house. There are sidewalks on many of the streets throughout the community, and it is possible to walk, bike, or take a golf cart to the Ocean Bay Elementary and Ocean Bay Middle Schools. Finally, there is a traffic light at the main entrance. The third community to check out is Berkshire Forest. This community offers a beautiful pool area overlooking a 32-acre lake. Here you will find the lazy river, kids splash zone, large pool, and grill area. The clubhouse at this pool offers a fitness room and other activities inside. At this amenity area, you will also have access to a playground, basketball courts, tennis courts, bocce ball courts, horseshoe stations, a non-motorized boat ramp, and a fishing dock. If this isn't enough, there's also a secondary amenity area with another pool, bathroom house, pickleball courts, and dog park. It is possible to walk, bike, or take a golf cart to River Oaks Elementary, which is in the center part of the community. Finally, there is a traffic light at the main entrance. Fourth on our list is Waterway Palms Plantation. This gated custom home community showcases a beautiful 2-story clubhouse with pool tables, kitchen, TV room, and fitness center. There's a large pool area behind the clubhouse with the main pool, 1-foot kiddie area, smaller pool, separate kiddie pool, and recently added hot tub. Also within the amenities complex, they have a playground, basketball area, bocce ball, cornhole, and tennis courts. There are sidewalks on all the streets throughout the community. There is also a private community boat ramp into the Intracoastal Waterway and boat area storage. Last but not least, we have Waterbridge, which is another beautiful gated community with a superior amenities package. Here you have a gorgeous clubhouse with fitness room, ping pong tables, kitchen area, and gathering space. Behind the clubhouse is one of the largest residential pools in the state of South Carolina. A cool feature of this pool is the swim-up bar and fire pit area. This community also offers bocce ball, tennis, pickleball, basketball, and sand volleyball courts. Although this community is not on the Intracoastal Waterway, there is Palmetto Lake, which is an over 60-acre lake in the heart of Waterbridge. There is a boat ramp for non-motorized water activities. Finally, there is an area for boat or RV storage. If you like these amenity areas, we would love if you would leave a like on this video. And keep in mind, we have done videos that will take you through all of these communities and more. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of these or our other great weekly videos.